The Story electric bike, your best companion for your on-the-go lifestyle that gets you where you need to go while being eco-friendly, ultra-chic, and affordable. Flatten your hills and shorten your commutes with a fun, fast, and powerful bike. Improve your daily rides while having a profound impact on those in need globally. Travel up to 45 miles on a charge and hitting speeds up to 20 miles per hour. Featuring an LCD screen with 6 levels of pedal assist to choose from, you can ride it like a regular bike or crank up the assist all the way up to feel superhuman while you pedal. Story's unique hidden battery, classic lightweight, and durable design gives it a stylish look while others won't even know you're on an electric bike. The leather grips and saddle gives the design an artistic accent, complementing the modern and minimal aesthetic at the same time. Ride to the beach, work, market, and back home, all without breaking a sweat or the environment. With the help of World Bicycle Relief, specially designed and locally assembled, Buffalo bikes will be donated to entrepreneurs, farmers, healthcare workers, and students, mobilizing people through the power of bicycles. Buffalo Bicycles provides greater carrying capacities, enabling farmers and entrepreneurs to transport more goods in less time. Increased productivity leads to improved livelihood and more prosperous communities.
Necto has designed a line of high-end, affordable e-bikes that fit your lifestyle in both work and play. The classic model is an e-bike with a cargo-friendly design.
I recently got a couple packages in the mail from my mom, and I was able to get all 3 boxes on these 2 different cargo spots. It was amazing, and I did it all in one trip. I call this my sport utility bike. I use it to run errands, I use it to go to the grocery store, I use it to go to work. I even use it to work out.
The Classic can reach speeds of up to 17 miles per hour and has a pedal assist range of 19 to 22 miles.
Driving this thing to work has saved me a lot of parking tickets in LA, and I've also saved a lot of time versus driving my car.
It kind of represents me. It has a vintage style, but also that modern power.
A powerful 250-watt rear-wheel motor.
To look at this bike, you would not think it has this much power.
This is a powerful motor. This bike can really move.
And a long-lasting 36-volt, 10-amp removable battery.
One thing I was really surprised about is how little I have to charge the battery. Sometimes I've gone weeks without charging it. And I love the quick release seat. It really makes the battery easy to get in and out.
The Classic is the #3 selling e-bike on the internet.
I really wanted to get this bike because I wanted to do my part with making less of a carbon footprint. This was definitely my first step, and I'm really glad I did it.
If you haven't ridden an Necto, try one out today.
Introducing the Schwinn Sycamore dual sport electric bike line. Schwinn is well known for making quality bicycles, but the idea of an e-bike might be new to you. Let me explain. A Schwinn e-bike has a motor and battery integrated into the bike. When you pedal, the motor activates and provides an extra assistance that you control with a thumb pad on the handlebar. The removable battery will last for miles and recharges from an ordinary household outlet. The extra power boost from the motor is enough to help you ride further, faster, and climb hills with less effort. The predictable control and simplicity of riding a bike with the added smooth power of the electric motor, makes riding efficient and almost effortless. Anyone looking to enjoy the outdoors and health benefits of bicycle riding without some of the situational challenges like sweaty hill climbing and lengthy travel times will find Schwinn e-bikes a welcome recreation and commuting option. Schwinn has thought through the electric components for you. The Schwinn Sycamore has a 350-watt rear hub motor with a thumb controller on the handlebar. The bike features an LCD display showing battery life, assistance, and basic cycling computer features. There are 5 levels of boosted power assistance, up to 20 miles an hour. The battery will typically last 40 miles or more depending on the level of assistance used and how you ride. It will also recharge from empty in about 6 hours whether it's on or off the bike. You can't beat the fun and ease of riding the Schwinn Sycamore e-bike, featuring a comfortable dual sport aluminum frame, SR Suntour NEX suspension fork with hydraulic lockout, 700C double-walled alloy rims with stainless steel spokes, semi-knobby tires with an added puncture resistance layer, 8 speeds with a Shimano Altus trigger shifter and Shimano Alivio rear derailleur, front and rear disc brakes, cushiony sport saddle, and comfy grips. The Schwinn Sycamore is available in small through extra large men's frame sizes and small and medium women's frame sizes. It comes with a 2-year warranty on the battery and electric assist parts and a lifetime warranty on the frame and fork. The simplicity and effortless ride of a Schwinn e-bike lets you enjoy all the fun of biking. Discover the freedom of riding a Schwinn e-bike.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.